Hi, Facebook. Sorry, I lost my voice, so I will try to be as loud as possible. So I am out here at an open house. If anybody is in Cumberland Furnace today, open house is here until 2 o'clock, so you have a little bit more time to come by. The address is 239 Indian Creek Road, and that's in Cumberland Furnace, Tennessee, and this is Kedala Construction. So this is actually my broker, Randy's build. So I'm gonna flip this camera around because, first of all, this house is massive. So beautiful siding, brick combo. I love how wide these steps are. It's beautiful. It's got a little pond going up. Once the grass starts growing and spring pops up, everything's gonna look so good. So I love the railing on here. If you love farmhouse, you will absolutely love this house. Like I said, this is a massive home. It just got finished. It is 2,872 square feet, and look at all this land. Look at that. That guy's got a four-wheeler. Huge, huge, huge house. It's actually on a little bit over 2.5 acres. And I love this front patio. It's got the stamped concrete. And I'm going to take you inside. We're just going to show a little bit of this, but this is such a beautiful home. All right. So let me close this door. This is the dining room. I love this accent wall. I love this green. It's beautiful. True dining room. So over here, we've got 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. I'm not going to show you that one. You're going to have to come in person for that. Got the beams and everyone's scattering. Electric fireplace. And listen to this. Do you hear that? This fireplace has the crackling sounds. It's so fun. So down here is the primary. Look at how high these ceilings are. This is so massive. And I love the underlights here. So you can turn those on and off, set the mood. Beautiful. I love the accent walls. Massive windows. Got some floating shelves up here. This is my favorite. This is the primary bathroom. Look at this tile. It's beautiful. I love the neutral colors in here. It's got the rain shower head. Beautiful tile. This is my type of tile. Floor to ceiling. It's got a nice big soaker tub. That's the toilet room. And I love this accent wall right here. I love the detail of that. And I love these light fixtures. They're so beautiful. Let me see if I could. Fit check. Hey guys, I'm casual today. And this is the closet. This is massive. Lots of shelving. You can hang up your stuff. And then I love this little detail right here. This is for your shoes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Super, super nice. So 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. And so if you stop in today, there's actually going to be some artwork as well. So this is featured by Mason Collins. This is watercoloring and photography. And you guys know I love my pollinators. Got some Carolina waves. Okay. And I love this moth. This is like the most beautiful moth. This is actually native. to this area too, to Luna Moth. This is my favorite piece. I might want to buy that. And then look at this spread. Look at this. So Stephanie actually made all these baked goods. She's amazing. Homemade scones, homemade biscuits, gravy. She made this. That's insane. Okay, so I'm not going to show you all this, but I am going to show you the last artist that is featured in here as well. So we're going upstairs to the bonus area, and I love this little spot right here. This is so cute. This is the perfect spot for a reading nook. No wasted space in this house. Look how massive this bonus room is. And it also has a full bathroom up here as well. It's got those same light fixtures, modern, the white with the black contrast, lots of shelving. Like I said, no wasted space in this house. So this is the other featured artist that is out here. She's actually out here today if you want to come out. If anybody wants to look at this, this is beautiful. So she does acrylic. These are postcards. And she's actually using this as a business card too. So it's got a little scripture on the back. It's so cute. And she said her husband actually made this guitar and she painted it. This one's my favorite. All right, guys. So 239 Indian Creek Road in Cumberland Furnace. This is 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2,872 square feet. It's on 2.5 acres. It's beautiful. It's spacious. If you're looking for a home with a lot of space, price point is $620,000. So pretty good price. It's a little bit over $216 a square foot. Considering the acreage and the privacy you get out here, it's priceless. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna hop off here. Hope you guys have a good weekend.